Today is National Science Day. On this occasion, we are going to recite a poem written by our own science teacher, Shri Satish Dubey sir. The name of the poem is Ancient Bharatiya Scientists. Mathematics, astronomy, physics, chemistry or biology. Our advanced knowledge is seen in our history as well as mythology. Our science, culture and knowledge were more advanced than today's. Let me tell you about our ancient scientists on the occasion of National Science Day.
Acharya Kanal, you love and adore, who developed atomic theory, birth of Mr. Dalton, a century before. He was the one who gave 3 laws of motion more than 1,000 years before Isaac Newton.
Sushruta Samhita is the textbook of glory, mention various diseases, plants, preparation and even plastic surgery. Maharshi Sushruta wrote it in the 6th century. It's a fact. Can you believe? He refers to the removal of the cataract.
Even before the birth of the world-renowned Hippocrates, Acharya Charak wrote Charak Samhita, the seminal thesis. He was the first to define digestion, metabolism and immunity, working for the welfare of people and the whole community.
Maharshi Varaha Mihin's Pancha Siddhanta does cite that the moon and the planets are luminous due to sunlight. Although his book Brihad Samhita is mostly about divination, it also covers topics like eclipses, rainfall, crops and domestic relations.
Acharya Nagarjuna worked on iron and mercury, a metallurgist and alchemist of the 10th century. He made an alloy that cannot ever rust, a fact which till date is unbelievable to trust.
Let me tell you about Bhaskaracharya, a genius person who discovered gravity 500 years before Isaac Newton. His profound work in algebra, arithmetic and geometry catapulted him to fame and immortality.
Aryabhatta was a 5th century mathematician, astronomer and physicist. Gave us the value of pi, 0 and decimal, which we believe did not exist. You will be surprised to know that he was the first and only one who said the earth is round and rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun.
In the Bodhayan Sulba Sutra by Bodhayan it was shown 1,000 years later it was by the name Pythagoras theorem known. The sky-bound miracle which the Wright brothers were trying 5,000 years ago, Bharatvarsh had already seen the Pushpak Viman flying.
Nothing more than this is needed to decide that every living soul must look at us with pride. We have done it once, we will do it again and prove that it is true. Bharat was, still is and always will remain the Vishwaguru. Thank you.